This setup in our little YouTube studio at home saves me probably about 20 minutes at least, if not more, every time I go to shoot a video. So in the studio at the moment, we've got a full desk setup, we've got a Stream Deck all coded in with the different light settings for whether we're doing a video, whether we're under working lights, or whether it's a nighttime ambience. We've got 2 key lights set up, all ready to go, already in frame, angled in the right direction. So I know that I can literally just plonk down in this seat, press record, and off we go. I know not everybody will have a little studio at home, and that's completely fair enough. But for us, it just works brilliantly. And I can't recommend it enough, having everything set up and ready to go. The tripod's in place, I know it's at the perfect angle for my shots. And there we go. It means that I can just come in, sit down, shoot, post, let's go.